Previously on StirEmUpOutdoors.
Run water right there. See it? You see it?
Right there.
Don't shoot Kenny. Kenny.
Right on the water there, bud.
Go ahead.
Shoot him.
Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Go ahead, Josh. You got it. Go, go, go. Aim below.
There we go. Nice going, bud.
This week on StirEmUpOutdoors, we are at Pools 13 on the Mississippi River to hunt teal. The couple of days we were there, the weather was unfavorable. Although it was tough, we pushed through it and managed to have a successful trip. Enjoy the video.
Why don't you shoot him again? I got that one.
That's tall.
Should I shoot again?
No, it's swimming.
Try to shoot him again?
Guys say shoot him and jump him.
Nice.
Where's the top one?
Hey guys.
Hey, Cam. Get out of here.
God, Al, mark that bird. Al, nice fucking shot on that. That was close. Nice shot.
Yeah. Oh.
There you go. Nice shot. He's alive. We gotta go.
Shoot him.
There you go. Now he's dead.
Right there.
Get in on him. Get low. Keep going, bud.
There you go.
So what's that put us at 8?
I lost it. No. I get him on the back deck again?
Overall, this was a very successful hunt. Boone got his first 2 retrieves, and it was just a blast. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on our Facebook and Instagram. Have a nice day. In the next episode of StirEmUpOutdoors, we are kicking off opening day with a blast on the DuPage River. Tune in next time for another episode on Sundays at 8-7 p.m. Central.
There we go. Shoot him.